Welcome to your performance tour. PM, arrival at Washington, D.C. Meet your licensed tour guide and begin your exciting journey through the nation's capital. Group dinner, evening tour of monuments and memorials. See iconic sites beautifully lit at night, including the Lincoln Memorial, Martin Luther King Jr. Memorial, and the Washington Monument, each telling the story of America's history and ideals. Hotel check-in day 2. Breakfast, performance at the National Mall, Lincoln Memorial. Play at one of the most significant landmarks in the United States, where history and music come together. Explore the Smithsonian Museums, focusing on the world-famous National Air and Space Museum, home to the Wright brothers' plane, Apollo 11 spacecraft, and fascinating exhibits on flight and space exploration. Group dinner, day 3 breakfast. Visit Arlington National Cemetery, walk the hallowed grounds where more than 400,000 service members rest, and witness the solemn changing of the guard at the tomb of the unknown soldier. See the powerful Marine Corps Memorial, Iwo Jima Memorial, honoring the courage and sacrifice of U.S. Marines. Mount Vernon performance and visit perform on the historic grounds of George Washington's estate overlooking the Potomac River. Afterward, explore his mansion, gardens, and museum, stepping back into the life of the first U.S. president. Group dinner, evening monuments and memorials tour, another chance to admire D.C.'s monuments under the stars. Hotel. Day 4, breakfast. Load bags and instruments on motorcoach tour the U.S. Capitol, where Congress meets, and visit the magnificent Library of Congress, the largest library in the world with millions of books, maps, and historic documents. Depart for Williamsburg, travel back in time to colonial America. Group dinner, hotel check-in, night security. Day 5, breakfast. Colonial Williamsburg tour, step into 18th century America as costumed interpreters bring the Revolutionary era to life. Explore historic buildings, blacksmith shops, and cobblestone streets where America's independence took root. Colonial Williamsburg performance. Share your music in a setting surrounded by living history. Group dinner, hotel night security. Day 6. Breakfast, Jamestown Settlement Tour, discover America's first permanent English colony, 1607. Visit the recreated fort, Powhatan Village, and ships that brought the settlers across the Atlantic. Depart for airport. Return home with wonderful memories.